model, 2020 Fiat Ducato 2.3 low loader box van needs turbo repair, Euro 6 VAT inclusive. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 155,880. MOT, the 14th of August 2025. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL 4113E6 DTEMP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, will start, but the turbo needs replacing. Also, the clutch pedal is on the floor, so the concentric slave cylinder needs replacing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, 2 keys, electric windows. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear.